Step 1. Starting by loosening the brake caliper bolts. Step 2. Carefully remove the caliper from the rotor. Step 3. Secure the caliper piston safely out of the way. Step 4. Pull the worn-out pads out of the bracket. Step 5. Clean away the accumulated dust and debris from the system. Step 6. Apply brake cleaner. Spray for a thorough deep clean. Step 7. Compress the piston to make room for the new pads. Step 8. Getting the brand new high-performance pads ready. Step 9. Precisely fit the new brake pads into the bracket. Step 10. Carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads. 11. Securely tighten the caliper bolts to spec. Step 12. Installation complete. You're all set for a safe drive. Before you drive, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm to seat the pads and clear any air. You're ready to go.